Hello everyone, my name is Al-Sherawi. I am recording this video for the Labview-Project 1 and 2 for Engineering 267 class. For the Labview-Project 1 is about function generator, which has amplitude for the y-axis and time for the x-axis. First, I run just the noise. As you can see here, when I hit the run button, and you can see the noise when I also increase it, and I increase the frequency as well. Then I design the noise, which is about one of the waveform, the signal selection and the waveform. As you can see here, this is the sine wave, and move it to the square, then the sawtooth, then the triangle, and finally the DC. So the second one is the waveform with the guessing noise. So this is the sine for the cosine noise, and this is the square, sawtooth, triangle, and DC. After that, I go to the waveform without noise. So it looks like this. This is the sine, this is the square, this is the sawtooth, and this is the triangle, and finally the straight, which is the DC. The second project is the oscilloscope. The oscilloscope has the y-axis, which is the fault, and the x-axis, which is the time. When I hit the operate and run the project, you can see it like this, and when I increase the amplitude, it looks like this. You can control the time and the fault from here, as you can see. And if you go to the FFT spectrum, you can see the signal, the FFT result, and the FFT result for the linear, and that one for the log. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.